you think is more beautiful, Paris or Rome?
I think Paris is more romantic, but Rome is older and has more historical landmarks.
Yeah, I agree. Paris definitely more fashionable, but Rome has a richer history.
Exactly, and I think Rome is more interesting to explore, but Paris is more popular among tourists.
That's true. Maybe we can visit both cities and decide which one is better.
Sounds good.